The EndyMed 3 Deep technology,
an incredibly versatile radiofrequency device.
One of our major go-to technologies.
This is one of the game changers out there. My name is Michael Gold, and I'm here to talk to you about the EndyMed device, which is the 3 Deep and intensive platform device. We're coming to you from Gold Skincare Center. It is our clinic here in Nashville, Tennessee. We are one of the largest dermatology/aesthetic centers in the South. We spend a lot of time looking at devices, and again, EndyMed is a company that I've worked with. It's a radiofrequency skin tightening platform, which we call 3 Deep. That 3 Deep energy delivers the energy deeper into the skin through the way the electrodes are designed so that we can target deeper structures, but at the same time safely and with minimal pain because of the configuration of the electrodes. On top of that, now we have a microneedling platform, which is called Intensive. I love microneedles. I think microneedling is a very fascinating concept, and these are some of the most sophisticated microneedling tips that have been developed. So they're motorized through a machine that puts them right into the skin. They're 24 karat gold plated. They are non-insulated and fractionated at the same time, which then translates into better treatments, faster treatments, no bleeding, one pass, and safe and effective treatments for my patients, whether it's for rejuvenating the skin, whether it's for lifting the skin, and then for acne scars and other traumatic scars. There's also evidence this works really well for stretch marks and other entities, and again, this gives us safe and effective treatments for our patients. We've been using the Intensive for a while now. We're very comfortable with it, and we do think in the microneedling category, this is one of the game changers out there.
the EndyMed 3 Deep technology,
An incredibly versatile radiofrequency device.
One of our major go-to technologies.
This is one of the game changers out there.
Hi, my name is Dr. David Goldberg, and I am the Director of Skin Laser and Surgery Specialists of New York and New Jersey. I'm here to talk to you about the EndyMed 3 Deep technology with its incredibly unique, intensive microneedling fractional approach. EndyMed is different. Their technology is run by 6 generators. The use of 6 generators allows you the power to penetrate deeply, but also allows you the control to penetrate superficially. It's unique because it is near painless. Treatments are generally done once a week, often for about 6 sessions. Now that's the EndyMed 3 Deep system. The EndyMed intensive technology is microneedling technology in which fractional radiofrequency energy is added to the microneedling technology. It's got a very unique non-insulated radiofrequency needle. That means the energy is uniformly and safely delivered throughout the entire needle as it penetrates the skin. Now what makes both of these technologies, both the 3 Deep and the intensive technology, so very unique is that they are radiofrequency. That means they are colorblind. So we can use these machines in the lightest colored skin, and we can use them in the darkest color skin. In addition to that, the technology with the intensive is a one of a kind in treating acne scars. Usually it's anywhere from 1 to 3 treatments, and there's dramatic improvement in acne scarring, and at the same time, even acne. So really with the 6 generator EndyMed radiofrequency approach, we can tighten a whole variety of areas, we can improve acne scarring, we can improve acne, and we can do it in all skin types. The EndyMed 3 Deep technology,
An incredibly versatile radiofrequency device.
One of our major go-to technologies.
This is one of the game changers out there.
My name is Flor Mayoral. I'm a dermatologist in Miami, and I have been here for 30 years. And I've been using EndyMed since it was released in the market several years ago. It is an incredibly versatile radiofrequency device with multiple uses in one single unit. EndyMed's 3 Deep technology allows you to do a volumetric heating of the tissues, doing a better job of tightening when you do radiofrequency. It is extremely easy to use. It is very simple. It has a technology that actually is very intelligent. It tells you what the temperature of the tissue is. It measures the length of each pass, and it allows you to make sure that you're always in full contact with the skin. We use our EndyMed every single day in the practice, several times a day. And before I have any interviews or any other important events, I make sure that I use it on my face. EndyMed is a very versatile piece of equipment. We use it on patients' arms, we use it on their abdomen. It has a piece that allows you to use it on the forehead and on the eyelids. It has a piece that you can use on the face. It has a fractional radiofrequency component so that you can use it when someone needs a little bit more tightening or needs resurfacing of the skin. And it allows the pores to shrink and the patient's contour to change completely. It's so versatile, we use it all day long in the practice. Patients really improve tremendously, and the proof is in the pudding. Our photographs of patients that have had intensive are great because you can see immediately how the pores have changed, how their skin is tighter, and their contour has improved.
The EndyMed 3 Deep technology,
An incredibly versatile radiofrequency device.
one of our major go-to technologies.
This is one of the game changers out there.
Hi, I'm Dr. Neil Sadik, owner of Sadik Dermatology and the Sadik Research Group. I'm also a clinical professor of dermatology at Cornell Medical College. I'm a practicing dermatologist and cosmetic surgeon. I have a multi-specialty practice involving dermatologists and plastic surgeons. And in our practice, where we offer both surgical and non-surgical alternatives, the EndyMed technologies are really one of our major go-to technologies for whole body rejuvenation in those individuals that do not want surgery. This is a multi